Hello friends, today we are going to learn do, does, did as a helping verb. First point regarding that is after do, does or did always comes a first form of a verb V1 that is. Okay, for example I have given here I play football. Here it comes I do play football. Okay, or I will give a second example, or we will take example at I played a football. So what will be the helping verb in this sentence? So here I did play a football. This type of the sentence is correct, not I did played. Here I have not written ed as a past tense because play is a verb, and always after the did the first form of the verb will come. After the do, first form of the verb. After the does, first form of the verb. Okay, now don't write the second third form of the verb. That will be the wrong sentence if you write that. Second point is it is used mainly in the interrogative, that is question type sentences and negative sentences. We will go further. So next we will see how it is used. Here do is used for the plural nouns only, that is we, they, but I and you are the exceptions in these things. When there is I play, we play, so we play become we do play. You play, you play become you do play. They plays become you do, sorry, they do play. Like this. Okay. The exception here is I and you. When there is I and you, do is used. Where is the does? Does is used. So here does is used in a singular form, that is he, she, it. When the sentence is starting from he, she or it, we use does. Like he plays a cricket. So here the sentence will be he does play a cricket. She eats something. She does eat something. It is heavy. Yes. So this type of sentence is there in do, does, and where is the did is used, we will see it again. One more thing I forgot to tell you, that do and does is always used in the present tense sentence, and did is used for the past tense. But did is used for all the singular and plural form, that is for I, we, you, they, he, she, and it. We will further see the in the interrogative sentences how the do, does, did is used. For example, I have given here I eat it. So here in this sentence the interrogative sentence is do I eat it and question mark. Means ये मैं ये खा रही हूँ, क्या मैं ये खा रही हूँ, ऐसे. I ate it. Did I eat it? ate नहीं आएगा यहाँ पे, eat आएगा क्योंकि past tense का होगा present tense, because we have added did means it's past tense. So ये मैंने खा लिया, तो क्या मैंने ये खा लिया, ऐसे. she eats it, उसने. does she eat it, उसने खाया है, क्या उसने ये खाया है, ऐसे. got it? Same is that for they and it. For they eat it, the question type will be do they eat it. Okay, tense will be same, don't change the tense. Okay, it carries germs. it carries germs means क्या होता है, किसी चीज़ पे germs है, किसी चीज़ पे माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स है. सो उसका क्वेश्चन टाइप क्या आएगा, Does it carry germs? यहाँ पे है carries will become carry as it is a first form of the verb. Okay, so what will be happen? Does it carry germs? Does it carry germs? Don't confuse. For the negative sentences, it will come as I eat it, I do not eat it. For he eats it, he is always eats it like this. He does not eat it. She eats it. She does not eat it. Okay, does will come for she. Does will come for he. Okay. Thank you. For the you and they, it will come you eat it, you do not eat it. We actually say that you don't eat it like this, okay? In the English, they eat it, okay? So what will be the negative sentence for this? They do not eat it. Don't use does here. They, for the they, as it is plural, we use do for that, not does. For the singular forms like you, I, we use does. Okay. For the negative sentence, you eat it, you don't eat it, or you do not eat it will come. For they eat it, they do not eat it will come. Do is used for the plural nouns, and but here you is as an exception of that. We don't use does here, we use do. Okay. Though it is a singular, we have to use do. This is a plural, we use do. Okay, got it. Any questions? Write in the comments. Here the past, for the past tense, I ate it, it will become I did eat it. Same for the he, she, it, they. In this sentences, did does not change. Did is constant. For example, he ate it, it will become he did eat it. She ate it, it will become she did eat it, and so on. Okay. So what is the meaning? You will always have a question that what is difference between I eat it and I do eat it? Why do is used in this sentence? I will tell you today why it is used. It is used to confirm that I am eating it, right? For example, like I will tell you in Hindi so that you will understand. मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ. ये जनरल हुआ. बट आई डू ईट इट में मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ ऐसे. That is, you have to force the, like forcefully you have to tell that you are eating something like that. Means someone is not believing us that I am eating it or you are eating it. So I do eat it like this. Okay. Got it? I do eat it likewise. Or for example, I will give you another example. Second example is I have done my homework. You are saying it's normally that I have done your homework, but your mom is not believing is you have done the homework, and you have to tell the mom that I do have done my homework, mom, like this. Okay, to confirm the thing that you have done it. Okay, this, that's why the do is used, right? Got it? Thank you.